Okay, students, let's move on to the next question. Exercise 2.3, question number 3. It's a word problem. So let us head on the solution of this word problem. Now, this can be asked for 3 to 4 marks. 3 to 4 marks का question आ सकता है. Now, what is given? The cost of 4 pencils, 3 pens, and 2 erasers is 60. This is the given data. We want to find out the cost of each item by using matrices. So let's write down the solution. लिखो. Let the cost of a pen. Let the cost of a pen. पहले pencil है, right? So cost of a pencil, a pen, and a eraser be rupees X, Y, and Z respectively. Okay, this is what is we are going to write down, students. Let the cost of a pencil, a pen, and a eraser means one ka cost be rupees X, Y, and Z respectively. Now, according to the given conditions, according to the given conditions, तो given condition के हिसाब से हमें equation मिलने वाले हैं. So see the first condition, the cost of 4 pencils, 3 pens, and 2 erasers means it is nothing but 4x plus 3y plus 2z is nothing but equal to 60. ये equation number 1 है. अच्छा, अभी equation number 2 अब ध्यान से देखना. Now see the equation number 2. ठीक है. Now what I'm doing, the equation number 2 मैं थोड़ा जरा यहाँ पे साइड में लिखता हूँ, फिर हम उसको बाद में यहाँ पे लिख दूंगा. Now see equation number 2 is, have a look, 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90 है. Now, this is our equation number 2. 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90. Now, since this equation can be divided by 2, मैंने observe किया, they are all multiples of 2. This equation can be divided by 2. तो divide by 2 करके ही मैं उस equation को यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ. So, what that equation is now going to be, so x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 45. According to the condition, actually ये equation है, but ये क्योंकि 2 से divide हो सकता है, हम 2 से divide करके उसको लिखते हैं. That will be better. Now let us write down equation number 3 also. So what is equation number 3, students? So it is nothing but 6x plus 2y plus 3z is nothing but equal to 70. This is our equation number 3. These are our 3 linear equations that are given to us in the condition. Okay. So now what we do, we have to solve this problem by matrix method. Now matrix method means itself it is nothing but reduction method से ही हम इसको solve करने वाले हैं. We are going to solve this problem by method of reduction itself. Now I hope you can start doing this. Reduction method हमने 2-3 problems already किए हैं. So this is the 4th one that we are doing. It's in 3 variables. So let us first convert this matrix. Equation में convert कर लेते हैं. 4, 1, and 6 in the first column. 3, 2, 2 in the second column, and 2, 3, 3 in the third column. This is our matrix A into matrix, column matrix X, Y, Z, and this is equal to, on the right hand side, we are having 60, 45, and 70. So now please start solving this. I'm giving you time of 5 minutes. Solve karo and try to get the answer. So let's move on to the transformation. Now what we have to do in this, that we have to reduce the first column to 100. So can anyone tell me what is the first transformation to be done?
R2 changes with R1.
Exactly, very good. R1 interchange with R2, or you can write down R2 interchange with R1. कैसे भी लिखो, doesn't matter. Interchange है. So let's first interchange. So what are these changes going to be? 1, 2, and 3. First row. 4, 3, and 2 becomes the second row. Third row remains the same. No changes takes place. XYZ column वाला जो matrix है, that is going to remain same, and this is equal to, this is going to change, this is going to become 45, 60, and 70. Now since we already have a habit of doing the transformation, अभी क्या करना है स्टूडेंट, 1 हो गया, अब ये दोनों को 0 करना है. अब दो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में एक साथ लिखता हूँ, यू कैन डू देम वन बाय वन. आप एक एक करके कर सकते हो या दोनों एक साथ भी कर सकते हो. अच्छा, अभी ये देखो, ये 4 है, 4 को 0 करना है. What transformation do we follow? R2 changes when we do R2 minus 4 times of R1. ये 4 को 0 करने के लिए R2 minus 4 R1 करना पड़ेगा. अब ये देखो, ये 6 है, ये 6 को 0 करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? R3 changes when we do R3 minus 6 R1. ठीक है. अब दोनों ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आप एक साथ भी कर सकते हो, और यू कैन डू देम वन बाय वन. अर्लियर व्हेन वी हैव लर्न्ड द मेथड, so we have done step wise, क्योंकि वो हमारा लर्निंग प्रोसीजर था. Now you can do both of them together and you can make the changes in R2 and R3 simultaneously, ताकि एक स्टेप आपका कम हो जाए. सॉल्विंग में एक स्टेप आपका कम हो जाए तो दोनों एक साथ सॉल्व कर सकते हो आप. चलो प्लीज डू दिस. So let's see what is going to happen now when we make these changes. You do it, I am giving you time, don't worry. The first row में there will be no change. First row is going to remain same. There will be change in row number 2 as well as in row number 3. One by one आप changes करो इसमें. This XYZ is unchanged always, and the changes will take place on the right hand side also. तो ये 45 का 45 ही रहेगा. R2 and R3 is going to change. Okay. Now, has everyone done both these transformations? हो गया, already done?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now check R2. ठीक है, R2 minus 4 R1, तो 4 minus 4 यहाँ पे आएगा 0. ठीक है, this is 3. ठीक है, 3 minus 8, तो यहाँ पे आएगा -5, और यहाँ पे क्या आने वाला है, you can check out 2 minus 12. R2 minus 4 times of R1, so 2 minus 12, so यहाँ आएगा -10. Okay, now see on the right hand side, please be very careful. R2 is, मैं वर्किंग यहाँ पे करके बताता हूँ आपको. देखो, R2 का एंट्री इज 60. R2 minus 4 times of R1. So can anyone tell me what is this calculation? How much is this entry? 60 minus
120.
Yes, absolutely, it's correct. It's minus 120. तो ये देखो, ये हमारा R2 होना चाहिए. 0 minus 5 minus 10 and this is minus 120. ठीक है, ये वर्किंग दिखाना जरूरी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हाँ, बट एट द सेम टाइम ये गलत नहीं आना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ लेट्स वर्क ऑन टू R3. R3 minus 6 times of R1. तो 6 minus 6, ये एंट्री आएगा 0. 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12, ये एंट्री आएगा -10. एंड 3 minus 18. 3 minus 18 देगा हमें -15. Now R3 minus 6 times of R1. अभी R3 का राइट हैंड साइड वाला एंट्री देखो, R3 is 70. 70 minus 6 times of 45. So So tell me how much will be this?
minus 200.
Yes, correct. Absolutely. It will be minus 200. तो देखो सबको ये दोनों 3 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किए हमने टोटल, R1 इंटरचेंज विद R2 और 2 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ये, तो टोटल 3 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करने के बाद जस्ट चेक हैज एवरीवन गॉट दिस मैट्रिक्स अरेंजमेंट? ओके, नाउ सी व्हाट इज टू बी डन ओवर हियर. वी हैव रीच्ड टिल हियर. अच्छा, अब देखो क्या करना है स्टूडेंट. नाउ ये 100 में कन्वर्ट हो गया. अब ये चारों एंट्री में से किसी एक जगह पे 0 लाना है. Out of these 4 places, you have to bring 0 at one position. Now, can anyone tell me which is the position where we'll try to bring 0?
R32.
Yes, exactly. At the position 3 2, third row, second column, इस entry को हम 0 करेंगे. Now, can anyone tell me the transformation to be done for this? Okay, चलो, never mind, I'll write down. देखो आप ये transformation R3 changes when we do R3 minus twice of R2. अब -10 है, -10 0 कैसे होगा? जब वहां पे +10 आएगा. -10 +10 0 होता है. तो R3 minus 2 times of R2. ठीक है ना, देखो 5 2 is 10, माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस, तो -10 +10 मेरे को यहाँ पर 0 देगा. चलो, तो फॉलो दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन and make the changes accordingly in row number 3 and write down your next step. Okay, please make the changes. Waiting for your response. R3 changes. What is going to happen, students? Row number 1 as well as row number 2 remain same. Row number 3 change होने वाला है. So I'll just leave a space over here. Please make the changes very correctly. XYZ remaining same over here, and this is equal to, on the other side of equality, this is 45 minus 120, and ये वाला एंट्री चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके, तो सी ये भी 0, ये भी 0, तो ये एंट्री 0. ओके, -10 + 10, -10 + 10, ये एंट्री 0 आएगा. ओके, नाउ कैन समवन टेल मी दिस एंट्री? व्हाट इज दिस एंट्री?
5.
Absolutely correct. This is nothing but 5. -15 + 20, positive 5 आएगा. Now do this working. So it is -200. Minus of minus will become plus. So this entry will be positive 40. -200 minus of minus plus हो गया. 120 into 2, 240. -200 plus 240, positive 240 देगा. Sorry, positive 40 देगा. Now, see, we have made this entry, first column को 100 कर दिया और इस entry को 0 कर दिया. ये चारों में से किसी एक को हमें 0 करना था by using R2 and R3. Now carry out matrix multiplication and please find out the value of x, y, and z.
Done, sir.
Done? Very good.
Done, sir.
Done? Very good. Very nice. So by equality of matrices, let us quickly finish this off. So by equality of matrices, ठीक है, चलो मैं लिख देता हूँ. वैसे मैंने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स में लिखा है, पर आप भी उसको याद रखो और आप भी लिखते रहो. By, अच्छा, फर्स्ट वी मल्टीप्लाई द मैट्रिसेस. ठीक है, पहले मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लेते हैं, फिर इक्वालिटी आएगा. तो जब हम पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, तो मल्टीप्लाई करने पे क्या आएगा? तो दिस विल बी x + 2y + 3z. The second row to the column, so that will give me -5y - 10z, and third entry will be 5z. This is equal to on the right hand side, it's same thing, 45 minus 120, and now by equality of matrices. I know. By equality of matrices. Okay, we will get the three equations. They are x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 45. Then minus 5y minus 10z is equal to minus 120. ठीक है, थोड़ा फास्ट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये already you have a habit of solving all these things. And 5z is equal to 40. This is our equation number 3. Okay, now quickly tell me how much is the value of z?
8.
करेक्ट, वेरी गुड. अब ये z का वैल्यू 8 हम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में डालेंगे, तो आप मेरे को बताओगे कि हाउ मच विल बी वैल्यू ऑफ y. y का वैल्यू क्या आने वाला है? 8 अगेन. ओके, 8. others please check your values. ठीक है, we'll verify also. and z का वैल्यू, तो y और सॉरी x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, z का ऑलरेडी है हमारे पास. So now what we'll be doing, y and z का value substitute in equation number 1 and give me the value of x. How much is x? You said
5.
5.
5. Yes, correct. All of you are correct. So x का value 5 है. So x का value 5, y का value 8 and z का value is also 8. But now अगर ये previous problem होता तो x by z हमें already मिल चुका था. But since it is a word problem, so what they have asked us, find the cost of each item by using matrices. So what is the cost of each item? Cost of one pencil, one pen and one eraser. Okay, तो ऐसा लिखो final answer. I rub this off क्योंकि ये word problem है तो हमें word problem की तरह को end करना पड़ेगा. So after getting the value of x, y and z, okay, please write down. Hence, the cost of, so लिखो आप, hence the cost of a pen, a pencil से start करते हैं. The cost of a pencil, a pen and an eraser. Cost of a pen means single pencil. Cost of a pencil, a pen and an eraser, and a eraser लिखो, ठीक है, doesn't matter. And an eraser is rupees. ठीक है, पेंसिल को हमने x लिया था, पेन को हमने y लिया था और इरेजर को z लिया था. तो is rupees 5, is rupees 5, ये रुपीस का सिंबल है पे डालता हूँ, is rupees 5, then rupees 8 and rupees 8 respectively. ठीक है, respectively. शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी लिख सकते हैं, respectively. That's it. So the cost of a pencil, a pen and an eraser is rupees 5, 8 and 8 respectively. That is how we are going to solve the word problem. So please remember, whenever it's a word problem given to us, and if it is given to us, find the cost of something by using matrices. So please always use reduction method to solve the problem to find out the value of x, y, z. अच्छा, अब ये conditions change हो सकते हैं. Okay, so please make a note of this. Same procedure. खाली word problem में से equation find किए हमने, बाकी पूरा procedure was already known to us.